My mission with the Mortgage Report is simple: to save you money. I'm here to provide weekly insight into the market so you can make the best buying decision. I want you to know where interest rates are headed, and I promise to let you know my lock or float position. The Mortgage Report starts now. Hey, what's up, Bob Mortgage Nation? This is the 79th episode of the Mortgage Report. Now, in the Mortgage Report, I'm giving you guys my lock or float position for the week. Now, it is a weekly report, so follow me on Instagram, instagram.com/BobMortgage, and that is where I'll tell you if I'm changing on a day-by-day basis from either a locker to a float or from a float to a lock position, okay? So if we look at things right now, the Dow is under pressure. Under pressure. So what we're seeing is we saw 500-point drops. The previous week we saw a 1,000-point drop. We're recording this on Thursday, and today was actually pretty positive. It was up 400 points. Now, a lot of the drops were being attributed to the poor releases in earnings, corporate earnings. Now, I do believe that had something to do with it, but I also feel that the rising interest rates are impacting what's happening with the stock market right now, as well as a lot of the Fed comments. The Fed comments are putting a lot of fear in the markets. Now, from a positive standpoint, and not that I want to see a stock market crash or anything, but from a positive standpoint, mortgage bonds are reacting positively because as the money flows out of the stock market, it has to go into a safe haven and it's going into the bond market. So that's actually provided some stability with interest rates right now, even with this deteriorating stock market. Now, on the housing side and news front, existing home sales missed expectations, new home sales missed. The numbers got pretty much hammered at that point. Pending home sales actually did well and it beat expectations. From initial jobless claims, now that's for individuals filing unemployment benefits for the first time. We had 215,000 claims filed last week, which was about 3,000 more than what they were expecting, and over 5,000 from the previous week. Now, if we look at the charts, okay, so if we go down here and we look at the charts, you see the green lines that I drew right here. And as you guys know, I said that I felt we were going to be in a sideways trading range for a while. We are in a sideways trading range. You can see right here, as soon as we reach the top, we start falling back down. So the floor of support right here at the 99.719 level and the new now ceiling of resistance is going to be that 25-day moving average right here at 100.3906. So my feeling is we're still going to stay in between these green lines for a while and be in a sideways trading range, okay, going into this week. The only thing that's going to probably move this out is if we start seeing more pressure on the Dow side, so the stock market. If we're getting more pressure there, investors are going to continue to move their money out of the stock market, put it into the safe haven of the bond market, and that is what potentially could be moving bonds up to a higher price, which would give us some more relief and give us a little bit lower of a mortgage rate, an interest rate, okay? So bottom line, right now I'm going to go into this week carefully floating. I'm going to maintain my floating position, go into it carefully floating, continue to see how the markets are reacting to some of the market-related news that's coming up, as well as the stock market. Bottom line, I've been a mortgage advisor for over 20 years, been blessed to provide financing to over 25,000 families during that time period. I watch the markets daily to make sure I can provide you the right home loan at the right price. With Bob Mortgage, your dream loan is already within your reach.